car parts. Patriot Missiles. Circuit boards. Starbucks coffee packages. Park furniture. Call center staffing. Wild horse training. Blue jeans. Knick-Knacks. Canoes. Baseball caps. Books for the blind. McDonald's Uniforms. Lingerie. Artisanal Cheese. Ikea Furniture.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.